In this lesson, I want you to solve quadratic equations by using the square root property. I want you to solve quadratic equations by completing the square. That's your new vocabulary term, is completing the square. We can use the square root property when the quadratic you factor turns out to be a perfect square. Now, how do I know this is a perfect square? Because the first term is a perfect square, the last term is a perfect square. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to factor that. That'll be x plus 7 squared. Now you might be asking yourself, what the heck happened to the 14? Nothing happened to the 14. If I take x plus 7 and I multiply it by x plus 7, I get x squared plus 14x plus 49. Because 7x plus 7x gives us 14x. So equals 64. Well, at this point, let's take the square root of both sides. Well, the square root of x plus 7 squared is x plus 7. The square root of 64 could be positive 8 or negative 8. Well, technically, let's back up here. What it is the square root of x plus 7 squared is the absolute value of x plus 7. And that equals 8. But when you take the absolute value, x plus 7 equals plus or minus 8. So we usually skip that middle step, but I want you to understand where it comes from. Well, at this point, let's subtract 7 from both sides. So then x equals negative 7 plus or minus 8. Well, we get two answers because it's a parabola. It crosses twice. One time we're going to add. Negative 7 plus 8 is 1. One time we're going to subtract. Negative 7 minus 8 is negative 15. So you can say x equals 1 or x equals negative 15. That's using the square root property.